Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Southside Boy Style here, at you again with another video and another purchase. Yes, another purchase. We got another purchase bought here to the channel, and it's this 2012 Dodge Caravan 3.6 3600 engine. This is basically the same exact van as the van you've seen in other videos. It's the red color van, which I did the video on how to check the transmission fluid. Well, this is the same exact vehicle as that one. Guys, I got this one for a really great deal. A deal way less than $1,000. Okay, come on now, come on. And it's in pretty good shape, guys, and it works pretty good, guys, but it's not without certain issues, which I'm going to get into with you now. First thing, guys, we have broken windshield. Okay, so for me that's $350 installed. Okay, and if you look around her, she's actually in really good body condition. Her rockers are really good. All of that is fine. You know, the vehicle looks pretty nice, guys. Okay, looks pretty good. So we've determined that it needed windshield. We have a few little scuffs right here, and we got some surface rust inside of the wheel wells. A blister right here. We have a little bit of rust on the back tailgate right there, as you can see. A little bit of rust right here, which I'm going to do, and I'll do videos on that with you guys. And we have some rust right here. The paint's coming off. The biggest issue on this van, guys, is right here. We have the Holy Grail right here. And guys, I'm actually going to put metal there, okay? Yes, I said it, guys. I'm going to weld in metal and do it the proper way. And the reason why is because, guys, this is a really nice van. A few minor surface rust areas. It's a nice vehicle. We got a little bit of blistering there, which they all do. That one up there is the same thing, right on that front wheel well. Now, we all know that it's the 6.2 TE transmission, and you know, anyway, guys, I did a video on that Caravan right there and showed you guys how to check the transmission fluid with your oil stick, with a few modifications you had to do with the oil stick to make it work for checking the trans fluid in this vehicle. And let me tell you guys, that video has gotten some traction, guys. Just want to make something clear to all of you, and that is that only works for the 3.6 engine, which is what this is, which is what that is. It doesn't work for the older style Dodge Caravans, which had the 3300 engines, which is like the 2010s, whatever. Under 2012, I think it was the 3300 engine, but 2000 and whatever up after 2010 was the 3600, which is what this is. So anybody that has a 2012 Dodge Caravan, you can check the trans fluid with the oil stick with a few modifications, and you can download the graph from the actual Chrysler site, and it'll show you how to make the measurements on the stick as you do it. And thanks a lot, guys, for all of the comments, all the likes on that video. Oh, back to it, guys. And we have a door handle busted out, which also they're common for. If you look at this door handle on the side door, it's busted out. And that is a repair. I also had to do that with that one up there. Birds are chirping, guys. Birds are chirping. I can hear them chirping. Everything works. Everything works. And guys, this vehicle is clean. This is a clean Dodge Caravan. Inside and out. It's nice and clean. You know, almost a little bit too clean for me. I'm kind of scared of it, actually. And it has an Alpine DVD player up in the roof. It all works. I tested it. Everything works perfectly. So there's a few options that was put into this vehicle. But guys, look at this. Look at the condition of this van. Okay. It is immaculate. Well taken care of. I know the person really well that owned this vehicle, and he was actually a mechanic. So he is a mechanic, a licensed mechanic himself. So the vehicle was kept up. And guys, they bought a brand new one, just like this one, same color. So that's how much they loved the Dodge Caravan. They bought one exactly the same thing as this one, just new. Now, we have a couple little minor issues inside, and we'll get to that. But look at the condition, guys, of this vehicle. It is in great condition. And guys, I'm so glad it's in great condition and there's not a lot of work to do. Windshield, a little bit of surface rust. I got one hole in the whole van, and I showed you back on the rear quarter, and that's all. And let's look at the miles and everything. Let's walk over to the other side. It has all half decent tires on it. They're actually passable, but I'm going to put new ones on it anyway. Regardless, I'm going to put new ones, and I'll show you under the hood. And let's start it up here. As I said, it works really nice. Purrs like a kitten. Sounds beautiful. I put the computer on and the engine lights on for the old famous evaporative emissions control system, guys. So it's all about the gas cap or the filler tube or the gaskets in the filler tube. Listen, it's in every vehicle on the planet, except for my Nova and my 65 Chevy. It's not in those, guys. They don't have that. So let's go through her. It's 9 degrees here. Come on, man. It's May 18th, 2024. And it's only 9 degrees out. I'm freezing doing this video. Northern winds. We got 134,000, guys. That's 134,000 kilometers. I'm not sure what that equals out to my American friends there, but I'll put it in the link for you, and I'll put it in the screen right there so you can see it. But it's only 134,000 kilometers on the engine. And, you know, she needs windshield wash, guys. I'm seeing a little symbol up there, so she needs windshield wash. But everything is good. Everything is fine. As I said, guys, look at the condition of this vehicle inside. And I'm not going to climb down the dirt, guys, but take my word for it. The bottom of this 2012 Dodge Caravan is just like new. What you see is what you get with this one, which is what I showed you is actually the way that it is, right? It's a little bit of surface rust, and I have one hole that I got to take care of, and I'm going to put metal in that hole. That's all is wrong. All the shocks is good, suspension is good. It needs new pads, front and rear, but the rotors are fine. They're not jiggling, so I won't need to put rotors. I can just get away with putting pads on it. So less than $1,000, guys, and I paid for this. And if I got to spend $1,000 on it because of the windshield, and plus I'm going to put new tires, then I still have a vehicle that's less than $2,000. It's a 2012 3600 Dodge Caravan in this condition. Immaculate. Very good. Very pleased. So let's pop the engine. Sorry. So let's pop the hood and see what's good. You know, guys, I like these vans, these Dodge Caravans, and I'm not even a Dodge fan, but I do like these Dodge Caravans. And there it is. I mean, she's dusty, guys. I'm not even going to try to hide it, not going to deny it. She's a little bit dirty under her skirt belly. And she got that big battery too, right? And she's a 3.6 liter VVT. You know, they have a lot of power. And the transmission being the 6.2 TE. Which, you know, some people kind of down those transmissions, but I haven't had no trouble. I had that one, I had another one. Now this one, like, I haven't had no trouble with the 6.2 TE transmission, guys. I haven't. I really haven't. And, you know, before I bought it, I checked the oil. I done all the tests on it. I smelled the oil, you know, I checked everything. I took the stick, cleaned it off, put it down, unscrewed the cap on the transmission, smelled the fluid down there. I checked, I checked everything, guys. It's me. Come on. I checked everything before I bought it. And remember, I bought it from a licensed mechanic who's working in a garage right now as we speak. Oh no, there's a tree. Go away, tree. See you later. But here it is, guys. Here it is. You let me down. You let me know down in the comments. Less than $1,000 I got this van for. I got some surface rust and just a little bit of paint touch up. Put a new windshield. I don't have to because the tires are actually pretty good, but I'm going to put in the tires. If I wanted to, I could get away with these tires for a year if I wanted to, which I still may do. If I don't put tires on this, I only got about $600 to spend on this, and then it's going to cost me less than $1,500. Less than $1,500, guys, for 2012 Dodge Caravan in this condition. In this condition. And it runs and drives great. Runs and drives beautiful. So guys, I'm going to end this video right here. But before I go, so all of you guys who just wanted to see about this Caravan, see you later. See you later. For all you guys that do like sticking around when my ADD kicks in and I show you something different than what I actually was doing the video about, you guys can stick around, okay? Stick around. Okay, for the people that just like to stick around because they like to watch the videos, you guys all know my 2012 Hyundai Elantra, which is the 6-speed manual. I've been doing some work on her, guys. Look, I've been doing some work on it, okay? I've been doing some work on this car, as you can see. And there's some hidden things in here, guys. And I'm going to do a video on it later. There's some hidden things in here, okay? But just giving you a little glance, and don't forget you're watching Southside Boy Style. But there's some hidden treats in this car. It's been here for a while, and I know when I do a video it's going to make you all smile. And we're going to get into that a little later, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of this one right now, okay? Okay, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching the video. There's lots more to come, guys. I got so much going on. The GMC Sierra, as you guys all know. I got the 65 Chevy I'm still going to start working back on. There's some secrets in this one. There's some secrets in this one, which I just give you a sneak peek on. There's actually some hidden secrets in that engine. And everything else I have happening. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I just want to say I hit the 2,000 subscriber mark. I'm at 525,000 views right now, and that's all because of you guys. I so greatly appreciate that. It's what lets me do what I'm doing with this channel. It lets me buy the things I'm buying, do the things I'm doing. It's not a lot, but come on, guys, I really appreciate it, and it helps me out, okay? So I'll see you on the next one.